Jody, and we're actually the creators and founders of the House Sitting Academy. So what we've got here for you today is a part of the House Sitting Academy, the best part of the House Sitting Academy, and that's called the Set Up to Stand Out Kit.
Yeah, look, we designed the Set Up to Stand Out kit because so many people asked us about how to actually put a profile together and actually get started in house sitting. This is all about taking action now. We can talk to the cows come home about how nice it would be to travel the world with house sitting and stuff, but unless you take some action, it's not going to happen.
Look, this is also about being prepared, because even if you're not ready to go house sitting right now, you don't want to miss out on the opportunities that pop up every now and again, even just in your local area, so that you can start gathering some references. So if you've got your profile fully set up, even if it's not as a member of a platform, just having it all there, knowing how to best present yourself so that when it is time to get started, bang, push the button, get going, don't miss out on any of those opportunities.
I think the other strong feature of the Set Up to Stand Out kit is it actually draws upon your own natural abilities. So it's not trying to get you to make up stuff, it's actually extracting who you are, which not only gives you the confidence, but actually makes you more authentic to the homeowner.
Yeah, and that's an energy that can get felt and read as well.
Definitely.
And it certainly worked for Mandy.
Mandy got some great results from the Set Up to Stand Out kit, so let's have a look what she's got to say.
We'd never done house sitting before, but through applying the teachings from Nat and Jody, we found that we're able to really hone in on the skills that we bring to the table for a homeowner. From this place we wrote our profile and we got some references. We felt really confident in the whole process actually, and we put that up online, and within 24 hours we'd actually been approached by quite a lot of homeowners. So it obviously works, and from this place we've actually booked house sitting gigs back to back for the next 6 months.
Look, since we started, what we've been doing is continually going back to our homeowners, asking them what it is that made them choose us, reaching out to other house sitters, sort of saying like, hey, what do you put into your profile or into your applications? And we've sort of brought all that together into one place for you.
Yeah, so the hard work has really been done for you. Now you've got a really step-by-step process of what to put into your profile, of things that actually are proven to work.
Yeah, exactly, and to make you not only just stand out, but authentically stand out, because it's bringing out the best of what it is that you're good at. And so many of us are really shy about that. It's really funny.
Yeah, so what you've got now is a real paint by numbers in terms of putting your profile together. So all the points that really work, that are hitting the homeowners and getting you to stand out, are packed into the Set Up to Stand Out kit.
Yeah, absolutely. So we suggest now you just take a look down this page, see exactly what's included in it. It's value-packed, jam-packed, lots of stuff to do, but it's all about making sure that you don't miss out on those opportunities, and perhaps even like Mandy had, getting homeowners reaching out to you from the word go.
Oh, a nice place to be.
All right, we look forward to seeing you on the inside of the Set Up to Stand Out kit.